Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, let's have a look. This is the finished bracket in place. Ready to take that beam. So we have Crucible Mark III in the fire.
Oh, here's some of what's come out of there. It's completely molten.
Oh, excellent. Look at that. Let's have a look inside. Oh, look at this. This is brilliant. That was copper pipe in there. And we've totally melted the copper. We haven't destroyed the crucible. And there's about maybe 10% aluminum in there. So we've made this aluminum bronze. And I guess he's going to try to pour it now. Look at how hot that thing is. Florentine, yeah. Florentine gold. Kind of like a pseudo gold. It's going to be really dangerous.
Yeah.
Quick, it's cooling.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Gold ingot coming out. Oh, wow. That's incredible.
And it's all gold. It's orange because it's so hot.
Yeah. How many times have you burned yourself, Quinn?
Twice.
Okay. Not doing too bad.
0.
So there's some of the copper pipe and then the aluminum. And this is that gold thing is some of the metal that didn't come out of the crucible that he just kind of scooped out with a rod. And it's, oh, it just looks just like gold. That was about a 10% aluminum to copper. And now he's going to try a 50-50. There's the ingot that just came out. It was kind of dull colored before we put it in the water, but then it cooled off and boiled and just shined up. He just poured 200 grams of a 50-50 aluminum copper mix into a new mold. And the crucible is still in one piece.